Face roll. What does it really mean? Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a fun and intriguing English phrase, face roll. If you've ever wondered what it means and where it comes from, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The term, face roll, has a rather unique origin. It comes from the world of video games. When a game is considered so easy that a player can win or progress by simply rolling their face on the keyboard, that's where face roll comes into play. It's a humorous way of saying that very little skill or effort is required. Literal meaning. If taken literally, face roll would mean to physically roll one's face on a surface. However, this isn't the commonly understood or used meaning of the term. Figurative meaning. Figuratively speaking, face roll is used to describe a situation, task, or game that is extremely easy. It's a way to exaggerate how simple something is, to the point where minimal effort or attention is needed to achieve it. To help you understand its usage better, here are a few example sentences. 1. The first level of that game was a total face roll. I finished it in minutes. 2. I was worried about the test, but it turned out to be a face roll. 3. Don't bother with the tutorial. The software is a face roll to use. Face roll is a playful term that's mainly derived from gaming culture but has found its way into casual English conversations. It's a fun way to say something is super easy. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and new terms like face roll make learning English an ever-exciting journey. Until next time, happy learning!